Hello everyone, it's Lurks here. Welcome to my channel, and today how to turn on the fog lights on your VW. Now these are the types of switches that you will be seeing in your VW. I'm just going to show you the basic one first. So what you do is you turn the switch all the way around to the headlights, and then you pull it out towards you. Now this one has only got a rear fog light, and on your dashboard it will show this sign here to show that the rear fog light is on. Now on this particular switch we've got front and rear fog lights. So on this one you pull it out one click for the rear fog lights and 2 clicks for front and rear fog lights, and then you will see these warning signs up on your dashboard. It's time for a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. Really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.